Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from the existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD tools like Cylinder, Thickness, Fillet, and Additive Helix. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. Here is the 2D drawing with the dimensions and the steps to finalize the 3D solid part. In step 1, we create the cylindrical part with a diameter of 18 and height 15 millimeters. Activate the cylinder tool and then set the parameters of the cylinder. Set the radius to 9 millimeters and the height to 15 millimeters. Click OK to confirm. In step 2, we add a fillet with a radius of 0.5 millimeters to the upper edge. Select the edge and then activate the fillet tool. Set the fillet radius to 0.5 millimeters. In step 3, we convert the created solid part to hollow part. Activate the Thickness tool and select the face to remove and then set the thickness parameter. The thickness of the cylinder is 1 millimeter. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 4, we sketch the blade profile on XY plane and then we create a solid part with the help of Additive Helix tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XY plane. Activate the View Section tool to see the sketch plane. Sketch 2 circles with a radius of 9 and 25 millimeters. Now, sketch a centered rectangle on the horizontal axis. Remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Now, move the sketch 0.5 millimeters up. In FreeCAD, you can set the position of the sketch under Attachment Offset and Position X, Y, and Z. Change the value of Z to 0.5 millimeters. The next step is to create the blade by using the Additive Helix tool. Select the sketch and then activate the Additive Helix tool. Set the mode to pitch height angle, the pitch to 100 and the height to 14 millimeters. Now, we create the other blades with the help of the Polar Pattern tool. Select the Additive Helix and then activate the Polar Pattern tool. We have 7 blades. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.